Welcome to the Health Science Hub. Today we are going to delve into a fascinating and fundamental topic for our health, the microbiome. What is it? Why is it so important? How can we take care of it? Stay with us to find out. The microbiome is the set of microorganisms that live in our body, especially in the intestine. It is made up of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that coexist with us in a symbiotic way. That is, we benefit from each other. Although it may sound surprising, the number of microbial cells in our body is similar to that of our own cells. Bacteria are undoubtedly the stars of the microbiome. It is estimated that trillions of bacteria live in our gut, and these belong to more than 1,000 different species. The most studied and well-known include: first, lactobacillus, which are very abundant bacteria in the small intestine and vagina. They are known for their ability to produce lactic acid from the fermentation of carbohydrates, which helps maintain an acidic pH, inhibiting the growth of pathogens. In addition, some types of lactobacillus are used in the production of fermented foods, such as yogurt and kefir. Second, bifidobacterium. This group of bacteria is predominantly found in the colon and is crucial for the digestion of dietary fiber. Bifidobacterium converts fiber into short-chain fatty acids, which are important for colon health and have anti-inflammatory effects. These bacteria also help strengthen the intestinal barrier and prevent colonization by pathogenic bacteria. Third, Escherichia coli. Although some strains of Escherichia coli can cause disease, most are beneficial commensals that live in the gut and contribute to the production of vitamin K and the digestion of food. Escherichia coli also plays a role in the formation of the microbiome in the first years of life. Fourth, firmicutes and bacteroidetes. These are the two most abundant bacterial phyla in the human gut. Firmicutes includes genera such as Lactobacillus and Clostridium, while bacteroidetes includes bacteroids. The balance between these two phyla is critical for metabolic health. An excess of firmicutes compared to bacteroidetes has been associated with obesity and metabolic syndrome. In addition to bacteria, the microbiome includes other microorganisms that, although in smaller numbers, play important roles. For example, viruses. Viruses in the microbiome, known as the virome, include bacteriophages, which are viruses that infect bacteria. These bacteriophages help regulate the bacterial population and can protect us by attacking pathogenic bacteria. The virome is an emerging field of study, and its impact on human health is still being unraveled. The microbiome also includes fungi. These organisms are less abundant than bacteria, but some fungi, such as Candida, Saccharomyces, and Malassezia, play a role in digestion and regulating the immune system. An imbalance in the microbiome can lead to infections such as candidiasis. Other organisms that exist in the microbiome are the archaea. Although less known, archaea are unicellular organisms that, unlike bacteria, do not have a nucleus or internal organelles. In the intestine, methanogenic archaea, such as Methanobrevibacter smithii, are responsible for the production of methane from bacterial fermentation products, which affects intestinal transit. And finally, protozoa. These single-celled organisms are less common in the gut microbiome, but some, such as Blastocystis hominis, are found in healthy people and may play a role in regulating immunity and gut homeostasis. However, its presence in excess or under certain conditions can be associated with gastrointestinal disorders. The microbiome is not limited to the gut. Different parts of the body host specific microbial communities that perform functions adapted to their environment. Bacteria such as Propionibacterium acnes and Staphylococcus epidermidis live on the surface of our skin. These bacteria help protect the skin from infections and maintain a proper pH. The mouth has a diverse microbiome, with bacteria such as Streptococcus mutans and Porphyromonas gingivalis, which are involved in oral health and the prevention of caries and periodontal diseases. In the upper respiratory tract, bacteria such as Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae can coexist without causing disease, but in certain imbalances, they can be responsible for infections. In women, the vaginal microbiome, dominated by lactobacillus, is essential to maintain an acidic environment that prevents infections. In men, the urogenital tract also harbors bacteria that can influence reproductive health. One of the most important roles of the microbiome is its involvement in food digestion. Thus, colon bacteria, especially those belonging to the genera Bacteroides and Firmicutes, ferment fiber that has not been digested in the small intestine. This process produces short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These fatty acids are not only a source of energy for colon cells, but also have anti-inflammatory and protective properties against colorectal cancer. Some gut bacteria are able to synthesize essential vitamins that the body cannot produce. For example, Escherichia coli and Bacteroides produce vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting. They also contribute to the synthesis of several B vitamins, such as biotin, folic acid, and riboflavin, which are essential for cellular metabolism. The microbiome also plays a role in metabolizing polyphenols found in foods such as green tea, cocoa, and fruits. These metabolites may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, and their bioavailability largely depends on microbial activity in the gut. A balanced microbiome is key to health. When this balance is disturbed, we speak of dysbiosis, a condition associated with various diseases, such as obesity, diabetes, inflammatory bowel diseases, and even mental disorders. Maintaining a healthy microbiome is critical to preventing many of these conditions. Fortunately, there are several ways to take care of our microbiome. A diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods such as yogurt and kefir encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. Avoiding unnecessary use of antibiotics, which can destroy both pathogenic and beneficial bacteria, is crucial. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and stress management is also recommended, as both impact the composition of the microbiome. Remember, you are not alone. Your body is home to millions of microorganisms that, if treated well, will help you live a healthier and happier life. Thank you for joining us on the Health Science Hub. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it. See you in the next video.